Okay guys, so in this video we're going to set up an AI agent using a Microsoft Foundry. So this is the Azure portal and we're going to create a one resource group. Though I'll already created one resource group, so let's start from here only. Okay, so first of all we need to create an resource. We can search from the marketplace also, you can search from directly from here also, Foundry. Okay, so once you type a Foundry it's going to give you this, and this, as you can see, create a Foundry resource. You need to create one Foundry resource. Right now I'm going to use my subscription, so and the resource group that what we already created. Let's create one AI demo for this, and the project, it's already taken, so let's create, oh sorry, it's already taken by somebody else, or it might be in my another different video. So let's Foundry Techno AI agent demo. Okay, I think that is good enough. So the project name, we need to give a project name also. So let's give this to like this. Okay, next. Right now we are not exploring much on this one, but down the line on the some other time we're going to explore this more. Right now we use an existing default setting, like inbound. This is also fine. We're going to delete that resource once we run this demo. System assigned is fine right now, that is cool. Encryption is fine. We don't need a tagging onto the specific resources, so let's Microsoft to validate this one. So once the validation is done, we can create a one resource. We are building on the East US region. So for different region, we have a different model available. So that's what we can going to see, and every model have their own capability and their own strength. Based on your user, your requirement use case, you can choose the model accordingly. So purpose of AI agent here, that we need to, so fine, that we'll discuss once our resource is created. We they're going to provide us an a one portal, Foundry portal. When we click on that one, it's going to redirect us. So we have our two interface. One is classic and one is the new one. This is the, when I go to this one, it's going to classic. Right now we are fine with this one, but if somebody want to explore, they can. Okay, so let's build one AI agent. So create AI agent. So here we need to provide a name to our agent. So right now we are building an agent. It's an a rack system that what we are building. So our agent is majorly going to pull the data from our knowledge base. Okay, okay, so you can give the name as per you. So right now in the background they are checking which model is available for this specific reason. So I will show you. See, this is the model which is available for a deploy. You can choose any of the model that what you want to. They have a huge support for different models. Okay, so you can explore more. Right now we are going to use this one. So, and this is the playground area where you can put in a text, and this model is going to respond. But here is the catch: as our agent supposed to read a data only from the knowledge base that what we're going to provide. Okay, so we need to restrict this agent to explore internet or some other information outside our knowledge base. So we need to provide a one instruction, and based on that instruction our agent is going to work. So you can write your if you are aware about the prompt, you can write yourself. But here we'll give an prompt to our agent through a playground and get a, let's see what it's going to respond. Okay, right. I mentioned that the system instruction and other not to be exposed, because to avoid that the prompt like if you heard about the prompt injection, to avoid that one. So you can elaborate more if you want. So this is the detailed prompt that what we can paste it. Okay, once it is done you can save it. Now we have to build a knowledge base for this one. Okay, there is a two way to do that. One is the tool. This is the tool, like it's going to connect through third party. Okay, so you can give a name. Right now we are not exploring this one, but I just want to show you that it's going to be file search, Azure AI, web search, and the catalog we have. So MongoDB, it's going to create an a one MCP. So it's going to use the MCP to connect with different resources. So let it be. We are not exploring right now this one. We're going to build on a knowledge base. The knowledge base, the resource, what we're going to. This is the Azure resource. So before proceeding this one, we need to provide our resources to Azure, where which will store into the blob storage. Okay, so so our agent is built here. Okay, we provided the instruction, and so this model need to be pull the data from our knowledge base. Okay, so here is the knowledge base tool, where we need to provide a connection so that the the agent able to call that, the agent model going to call only that knowledge base. Okay, so create a new resource. So this is resource name, subscription resource group is this, the basic. So this also you're going to able to create. I'll go with the basic. It's going to create Azure AI search, but right now we are not going to use this one. I'll showing you a different way to do that. So for that, let's create a one storage account. Okay, one blob storage. We'll create a one blob storage into the same resource group. Fine. Okay, so not to worry. Okay, So it's going to create, let it be the standard. We're going to use Azure Blob Storage only. The primary workload, it's for machine learning, so we're going to use that only. Standard, let it be this. Okay, so this is hot, that is fine. Next, enable. Okay, so let it create. So our storage account is created. We're going to go to the data storage and container. We add a one container name as a knowledge base. Okay, so we going to upload a PDF. You can upload anything what you want, so that the model is going to use that only. So go to the desktop. I'm uploading my CV, so I'm also aware what it's having, so that I'll able to demonstrate you. So upload it. You can upload any of the document and any number of document. Okay. So demo purpose, I'll use only one document. So the document is ready. Fine. So this is the knowledge base. Okay. This is the agent and this is the knowledge base. You can connect to Foundry or set up a data source via tool. Here we have a uh, option. 1 minute. Okay, this is a browse all tool. You can use a file search, add tool. It's going to ask you, but we need to provide a data storage. So we need to provide a data to our model. So there is a multiple way to do that. You can set up a tool also. Okay, you can, this tool can be of any AI search, web search, or computer use. So, and the knowledge base also, you can create a one Azure AI search. Right now we are not exploring this one, but yes, down the line we can. But let's do, go to our agent. We provide a one file to us. Based on that, they're going to create an indexes. So let's give a one file. This is my CV. So that the size will be less, and based on that, the vector index is going to be built. Make, for a demo purpose, try to use a smaller size, because indexing and fetching a data, all of those is going to cost you. Okay, let's attach it. So so now our agent able to access the data what the file I have provided. Based on that, see, edit. So it's going to show you this is the name and this is already attached. So if you want to manage also, let's first say, sorry, I think I'll go to see, it's already uploaded. This is the data, but yeah, let me save it first, otherwise it's not going to able to pull that. See, it's gone. So go to the data. This is the indexes. So let's delete it and do that again, though you can map it also. Okay, so let's go to the agent. From here, let's upload a file, this one. So it's uploading and creating an index on top of that. It's going to show you that where is that index. So this is the name, you can change as per your requirement also, so that you are aware, like index built on CV, on on Sachin CV. Okay, and attach. So once it is attached, it's going to be attached here, and you need to save it. So now, can you we can provide you a prompt, and it's going to, as this model doesn't aware about that initially, about my profile and all, but now we already provide the data, so they able to answer the question. If we going to ask related information about Sachin, because it's my CV, can you share the skill set of Sachin? So I'll show you. Once we remove this one, they won't able to provide that detail. So this is showing me my skill set, my strength. Okay, let's copy this somewhere. Okay, so okay, now, and they're showing me a reference. It's totally upon that the model what you are using and their capability. Let's remove this one. We'll disconnect this one and save it. Okay, now provide the same prompt. Okay, are they able to answer or not? Not this one. Okay, they're still able to do that. Okay, so go to the data, delete it, agent, go to the agent. Now, because they're able to answer, because it's in the current context. Now we remove that one, remove from here. Now it's able to answer or not. Let's see. As you can see, it's not because we need to modify this prompt more. so that they won't pick any information from outside or from the internet. It's solely going to pull it from our knowledge base. Okay, so okay, so this is my now new prompt. Let's replace this one, save it, go to the agent again, so that the new context is going to be. So now, can you provide me the skill set of such a still, as we see, prompt that what we are giving is still pulling a data from the data which is publicly available. So this is the new prompt. Create a system prompt that encourage AI agent to only pull the data from knowledge base that we upload. Okay, so right now we haven't uploaded anything. So if we're going to ask, this is a system prompt. So okay, so let's save it. Go to the agent again. Now, can you share the detail on such an. So they are not, because we don't have any knowledge base uploaded, as we deleted it. So now we can upload it again, or we can use the same one also. Let it be. So once it is done, let's see, attach and save. Okay, so can you provide me the detailed skill set of Sachin? Let's see now, they able to pull or not. See, this is kind of the same what we got earlier. So we can provide an instruction to our agent so that they can pull only the data uh, from the knowledge base. We have a other option also, connect with the different MCP servers. I'll just show you one minute. Okay, so catalog. So this is the catalog. These are the MCP servers, uh, and we can integrate and pull the data on any of this, like from the GitHub, Azure Cosmos. Right now, we are not going to on that topic. It will take time, but yeah, this is a brief info on that, how the Foundry agent. But the major part is this instruction, and we need to wrote that instruction in a such a way to avoid the prompt injection also. But yeah, down the line in other videos, I'm going to show you like how to prevent the prompt injection. Okay, this is, I think we are done for today. We'll catch up again. Just like it if you love this video.